Hello everybody. Today I would like to share an interesting temperature sensor for you. This is an anti-dry burning temperature device. This device has been widely used in barbecue oven, gas oven, and other baking pans, etc. The max operational temperature can reach 300 degrees centigrade. This temperature sensor device has four main parts. Part 1 is the anti-cell thermistor inside. 100 Kelvin has been used in this sensor device. Part 2 is a stainless steel protection shield with a flat top. The shield can protect the thermistor inside, and the flat top ensures a tight contact between the sensor and the pan bottom. Part 3 is a seat with a spring inside. The spring can push the sensor flat top to ensure tight contact. It can ensure more accurate temperature. Part 4 is a cable, which can be customized upon different design and applications. This anti-dry burning temperature sensor set can be used in many oven sets. Proper setting position of the sensor is necessary to get an accurate temperature detection. You may don't like this design, or you do have some good idea, or this is what you are looking for. Anyway, just let us know your idea, and also we will share some interesting temperature sensor every week. Thank you.